So you want to buy a house with another person, but your credit is not as great as theirs, or their credit is not as great as yours. What happens then? Well, unfortunately, we have to use the lower credit score of the two parties. And this could mean that it could affect your interest rate or the fees that you would pay. But here's the good news. We can actually use both of your incomes to help you qualify for the loan. So if you need to qualify for a certain amount and you need more income, it might be beneficial still to put both of you on the loan. Now here's the bad news. We also have to include both of your debts on this loan. And even if you're qualifying as a single individual on an FHA loan, we're gonna have to use your married partner's debts as well. But not all is bad, because I also like to try to see how I can maybe improve your partner's score in the meantime or pretty quickly to see if there's any quick hacks we can do to get that score up and help you qualify for something better. And if we can't, I periodically check on all my clients for refinancing opportunities. So you are a lifetime client with me, hopefully, and I try to take the stress off of you, and I'm looking for you. You don't have to constantly check on rates. So if you don't think you're in the position to buy because of somebody's lower credit score, please reach out to me, because I would like to see firsthand what the situation is, and let's see if we can improve it to get you qualified pretty quickly.